I get scared sometimes, and I'll clean up before somebody comes to even clean. Do you do that?
Yeah, that's crazy. I know a lot of people do that.
My girl will do that.
I don't do that. No way. No way.
If I know they're coming, I'll wipe my fingers in my towel. Like if I'm eating Cheetos, I'll just wipe my hands in the bed and make sure they cleaned it.
Yeah,
Really?
Because
make sure they cleaned it.
Because
like
I think that
clean traps.
Yeah.
because clean traps. Because if there's
Clean
not,
traps,
that's good. I missed it. Fuck, I hate when I miss it. But like
Episode name.
because sometimes
Clean traps.
I feel like they won't clean something unless it's really dirty. So fuck yeah, I do that shit.
Little
Eating
clean
Cheetos,
traps.
just gotta make sure they
And-
get.
and-
Well, if you
and
have
don't-
expectations of like what you want them to clean, that's the annoying part.
I gotta make sure.
It's
Like hotel too.
You gotta
it's-
tell them. No, but I think
Bro,
you have to lay it
hotel?
down. Like I need the bathroom, like this part of the bathroom too.
Yeah.
Because I hate when you have somebody clean your place
Yeah.
and then you go and look like,
Yeah.
why is that shit still dirty?
Oh, bro, the way I treat hotels,
Oh,
they should.
yeah.
I'll roll in the fucking sheets. I'll
Yeah.
shit stains on the
Oh, yeah, I
towels.
used to do that.
I make they work.
I
dog.
used to do
They
that.
work.
Oh, when I got into a hotel, dude, I would find myself completely naked. People talk about this all the time.
Yeah,
There's some
dude.
type of
I feel free.
I think it's like a
It's like a rental car.
Yeah, I treat it like
I'm
shit.
going over bumps like
Naked in his rental car. Someone's driving him. He's in the passenger seat.
Bro, that would be such a great service if they had like a nude vehicle. You just get in the back and just get nude. You just get to be back there.
They
Oh,
naked.
yeah,
got it.
they do. It's called
They-
the bang bus.
I think it's just called.
It's called the
Uber.
bang bus. That's a real thing.
It's
Nick knows what I'm
it's
talking
just
about.
Uber.
But if
Nick
people
was like,
knew you were naked, it would be sick, bro.
Yeah.